Guess what time it is? Are you guys tired of me? Listen, you can tell me. You can tell me because I've obviously been unboxing some bags, okay? Especially if you follow me on Instagram, the unboxings have been ample. Let me know if you guys are tired of it, but I just figure I want to get these done. I want to get these revealed. There's so many. So we need to work through this. So we're going to do an Hermes unboxing. I want you guys to just guess, okay? It doesn't count if you saw it on YouTube Shorts. So don't guess if you saw it on YouTube Shorts. Is it a Birkin? Is it a Kelly? What size? What color? What leather? Etc. Etc. Let me know in the comments what you think it is. And we're going to roll into the unboxing. But wait, you already want to say if you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post when I can, as much as humanly possible. I do my best. And if you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, I feel like this is definitely where you're going to be. So you should subscribe if you're not already. And you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the Key Danger. I post every single day over there. If it is a real outfit of the day, something on stories. We post a lot, okay? We post a lot over there. So you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the unboxing. This color is on camera. I'm sorry. I can't take it. I cannot take it. So let me hit you with the specs. Okay. This is a Kelly 28 in the color Jaune Ombre. I did say that wrong in case you're wondering. I totally did. And this is in gold hardware and Togo leather in the retourne or retorn. I don't know how to say it. Size. No. Structure. This Twilly actually came with a different bag that I bought that you guys also have not seen yet. And I honestly thought these tones were just so, like, look at that. That's perfect for this bag. So it didn't really match the bag that it came with. I felt like it looked way better on this one. So we put it on this one. You guys, so here's the thing. Here's the thing. I have been in love with the color Jaune Ombre for frickin' ever. I just love this color. I don't know what it is. Mustard yellow is like not my favorite color in the world. You know, it's not the greatest thing that's ever happened to anybody. But on this bag, like on Togo leather, is just so gorgeous. I'm trying to make sure I don't have any stickers on. No, I do not. I do take off all my stickers. A lot of my bags did come with stickers still attached, and we just ripped them right off. We ripped them off. I am not team keep the stickers on. I'm sorry. I'm really just not. So I bought this bag from Finkel Puff. I had a great time. It was really great. I said,
hey, do you have any more pictures of this bag?
They said,
yeah, sure do.
Sent me the pictures, told me the price, told me how much I had to send in a down payment and then how much I had to wire. And I said, okay. And then here we are. Honestly, it took 3 seconds to arrive. Like literally, it was so fast. It was such a good transaction, you guys. So I definitely recommend them. It's a business based in, I think, Singapore. Listen, I could be wrong. Singapore. I was right. Why you guys make me feel stupid? Singapore. I will tell you, I stock Finkel Puff, and I have stocked Finkel Puff for years. Like way before I was ever buying Hermes bags, I was looking at Finkel Puff stuff, okay? The stock is good. The prices are good. The customer service is good. Like, it's just, everything is so good. Everything is so good. This bag is in absolutely perfect, like not a solitary thing is wrong with this bag. I don't buy bags that are in bad condition. Like, I don't care how discounted they are. For me personally, it's not my vibe. I like my bags to be in as perfect condition as humanly possible without spending 5 times the freaking retail price, because I'm not going to do that either. You guys know I used to have my yellow cocoa handle, and I used that. I didn't use that like every day, but I used that like a good amount, and I have been using this even more. The yellow cocoa handle was a very like pale yellow. This is obviously more mustardy, so this is more of like an earth tone. And to me, it's more neutral. So it goes with more stuff. I love the retorn style Kelly. I think I've already said that more than once. When I'm using the Kelly, I just use it like this. And I know this is not the recommended way, but this is how I use it. Like, I don't have the time for the sangles. Please don't tell me you have the time, because I know you don't. Maybe if it was Cellier, I would leave it open. But for retorn, it's easy enough to close. So I don't really have an issue with it. Obviously, the strap, I always keep the straps inside the actual bags, just because I like them to be displayed like perfectly. I don't want the straps like flopping around. Like, you know, when the Constance is like just sitting there and the straps are just like all willy-nilly. That's not the vibes that we go for here, okay? I do plan on doing like a Birkin versus Kelly comparison video, so stay tuned for that. I know a lot of people really think the 28 is like so big. I don't know where they got that from, to be honest. The 28 is perfect. This is the perfect size in my opinion. And again, I think we need to remember that big bags are coming back, and I'm not saying I'm going to go get a Kelly 32, Kelly 35. I don't know if I'm that cool, you know? I feel like only the cool people can get the 35s and the 32s. I'm not that cool. But the 28 is like the absolute perfect size in my opinion. I have been styling this bag a lot. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen it a bunch because I just can't stop wearing it. I just absolutely love it. For me, Hermes neutrals are beautiful. I love them, but the colors are just so rich. They're so delicious, and there's just something so special about them. Like, I can't deny how gorgeous this color is. There's two videos that just got me with this color, okay? The first one is Melon Melbourne. She unboxed, I think it was a Kelly 28. Hers, I think, was in Clemence leather, and I don't remember her hardware. But she had this exact same color. I'll link her unboxing right up here so you guys can check it out. Years ago, and I said,
oh my God, what is that color?
Then Isabel Style made a special order. I don't know actually which video came first, but Isabel Style made a special order where she had a Cray Kelly, also size 28, but it was in the Cellier construction, and the interior was Jean Ombre, and I was sold. I was sold. I said,
that's it. I need that. I need that color.
I mean, I've always told you guys my top two colors. My top two colors have been Rose Extreme and Attain. I always thought those were like the two colors that I would get immediately. But once I actually started buying Hermes bags, I kind of noticed quickly, like, that doesn't make any sense. Gray is just not a color that works very well for me. So why would I get an Attain bag? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, the math is not mathing. So I scratched that out. And then for Rose Extreme, that's a very specific shade of pink that does not go with as much as you would think. So I scratched that as well. So I went immediately to like, what are my next favorites? So since I have my pink Birkin, my blue Kelly, a yellow Kelly just felt like the natural next addition, you know? And this yellow, I know everyone's so into the Jean Poussin color right now, but for me, this is the yellow for me. And obviously it's not gonna be the yellow for everybody. I don't think this is a very popular color in general, but this is the color for me. But that is it for this unboxing. Definitely let me know in the comments what you guys thought about the bag. Let me know if it's too many unboxings at once also, because I totally understand. I'm trying to space them out, you know, I'm trying to give you one here, one there, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. What are your favorite Hermes colors? Because I need to know. I have been bit real bad, you guys, real bad. I mean, like I said, you're going to see in all the upcoming unboxings that I have, it's just over. It is over for me. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I got to get the damn bag. I forgot to get the bag. I forgot.